Most people who buy crypto today are already too late. Not because crypto is dead, but because the game quietly changed, and almost nobody noticed. By 2026, 90% of crypto investors will fail. Not from bad luck, from bad behavior. Crypto used to be simple. Buy something early. Hold it. Get rich. That era is over. Today, crypto is being regulated, financialized, and absorbed into the same system it was supposed to replace. Banks don't fight systems they can control. They integrate them. And when that happens, the rules change. The first reason most investors will fail in 2026 is emotional behavior. People don't invest. They react. They buy when prices go up. They panic when prices go down. They chase hype. They chase hype. Crypto amplifies this behavior because it moves fast and feels personal. A 20% drop feels like the end of the world. A 20% pump feels like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. In reality, both are traps. The market doesn't care what you believe. It only cares how you behave. The biggest myth in crypto is that it will replace traditional money. It won't. It's being absorbed into the existing system. Governments regulate it. Banks custody it. Institutions trade it. That means more stability, less explosive upside, more manipulation, more complexity, but retail investors still act like it's 2017. They expect miracles. They ignore fundamentals. They treat speculation like a life plan. Crypto is not a life plan. It's a high-risk tool. And tools punish misuse. By 2026, 3 things will be fully in place: regulation, institutional dominance, algorithmic trading. That combination destroys impulsive investors. You won't be trading against people anymore. You'll be trading against machines, funds, and systems designed to extract your mistakes. Every emotional buy, every panic sell, every over-leveraged trade. It all becomes profit for someone smarter than you. And the market will keep taking your money quietly, patiently, and legally. The hidden rule of crypto in 2026 is simple. It doesn't reward belief. It rewards discipline. It doesn't care about your story. It cares about your position size, your timing, and your risk management. Once you understand this, crypto stops being exciting and starts being dangerous. Because now you realize it's not a lottery ticket. It's a battlefield. So should you care about crypto in 2026? Yes, but not the way most people do. Care about it like a professional tool, not like a dream. If you treat it seriously, it can help you. If you treat it emotionally, it will destroy you. That's not drama. That's math. This channel isn't about hype. It's about survival in modern finance. If you want more reality checks about money, risk, and the future, subscribe. Because the next decade won't be kind to people who don't understand how the system really works.